Uh-oh, the ghetto van's getting noisy. Gotta get it fixed. And that's why it was loud. Right there.
Look at the sweat coming off the floor.
So what do you think of that, guys? You know what? It was just boom, boom, boom. He was just welding some stuff on. I went in to pay, and I came out, and he was putting the van down. Like, that was fast. Excellent price, excellent service. Jimmy, the gentleman that was working on the van, you saw the picture. Anyway, apparently, rumor has it that he used to bend the exhaust pipes with his bare hands, but he started putting fingerprints in the pipe, so he had to stop it and start using the machine. I'm just pulling your leg. Anyway, like I say, you know what? Great service. And the name of it is Master Auto Service, Master Muffler, as it's known around the area. Anyway, a buddy of mine, he said, check him out. You got to go there. They'll look after you, and he did. Like, I walked up, dropped my van off. Next thing it was in. Next thing, muffler's on, just like that. Like, boom. Excellent price, excellent service. What more could you want? And that leads me to the next thing. When you're out in the road, these things can happen. So always have a little backup fund, because you know what? I'm telling you, you know, like something as small as a muffler could ruin your day, because you can't sleep in the back if your muffler's leaking, right? You gas yourself, you kill yourself, and it starts getting loud. It's annoying and everything else. So, Jimmy at Master Auto Service, awesome work, awesome guys. If you're in Sydney, Nova Scotia, you need some exhaust work done, or oil change, or just general service, stop by their shop. Great bunch of guys. Check them out. They'll hook you up. Anyway, guys, that's about it. Like I say, always have a little bit in reserve in case something happens to your vehicle. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.